Here we come to the elevator at Student Center North at University of Houston, Texas. This one is a ThyssenKrupp as well, much like the one in the theater wing at Student Center South. Oh, we got a fan here. 2. Sitting for a while, so that's why I made that big jolt. Oh, look at that door open button. That's the original Signa4 button. So is the door close. These are the only buttons that were replaced with your stainless steel VR button. I wish that fan is not that loud so we can hear the motor. Alright, back down to one end there. Right there, so there it goes, and that'll be it.